the locust. Eat the locust. Whoa! That $10,000 is more than ours.
Good stuff. Oh, it's not out yet. Here.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's pretty spooky.
How does that look?
This is before and after.
Dan, you were so high tech.
This is the nymph and the what is that? That's the thing. Poor creature's about to die.
Yeah, I think his wings dried out on the.
Look at that big box of chocolates these kids have.
You can keep all these.
Can you put
Let's go
one
the other
that's
ones,
alive
okay?
crawl on my arm? Yeah, me too. Me too. I already got one.
That's a totally nasty one. Have you named him yet?
What?
Have you named him yet? Does he have a name yet? Frank. I think his name's Frank. Could be. You never know.